बिज्जू सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
अभी
सर हाँ अभी ठीक है।
Sit down. Hello. Yeah. What to do? How many sums you are supposed to do? How many more to do? Huh? 15 more. How many you are supposed to do? 15 more. After that, you will get your 100 rupees. After that, get your Steve Jobs. Sir. Sir. What is it? What is it? Okay, dictionary. Yes. Okay. Sit down. Once you completed, come to me again. Okay. No, don't. No. Sit down. First complete your. Okay, this is the business. Can I change my color? No. Nothing really. Sit down. This you want to change. This you want to change. What do you want to change? No, I am collateral. Collateral of bond. What is it? Collateral. Just made a deal, right? To the homework and get your food back. So I was saying that please change the collateral. So what do you want to change? What do you want to replace? Keep my science. Science. Beauty volume science. Okay, I'll keep. Don't worry. Okay. Keep quiet and sit quietly. I'll call your sister now. Should I call your sister? You want to listen? I'll call your sister. Then no. Science attention can pass it. Yeah. What happened to this one, APJ? Last question. What is it? If angle XYZ. In this, given that XYZ is equal to this one, XY is produced to P. XYZ is equal to 66. XY is produced to P. Have you followed this match? Draw the figure in the given. See? The figure draw. Is it so? One more. Then, if ray YQ bisects ZYP, these two are equal. And next is find XYQ. Where is XYQ? So this is how much? 66. This full amount is how much? 180 minus 66. You know how much? 114. Or 114 divided by 2. 70. 114 divided by 2 is 70. 50. 140 divided by 140 divided by 144. 144. 180 minus 66 is how much? 144. You told 114. Okay, then what do you have to find out? Angle XYQ. XYQ is how much? 66 plus 57. Oh, hello, Sarthak. And angle QYP. QYP is 57. How many marks? 4 marks. And paper, he will paper was snap test. Snapchat and snap test. So, snap. Sir, I have a doubt. Tell the doubts that today class to start or what not to start. Sir, miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise of each chapter. The triangle. Triangle is done over? Yeah. When it is over, no? Acha, listen. This. How many of you? What is it? Little, please, loudly, please. What we will start? We will dance over here. Why construction? You did not bring the instrument. That's the reason, huh? CBSE? CBSE remove construction. Your friend only said construction. What are you telling? You are finally listen here. Don't come with the daily one new stories. Okay. I starting the new chapter. Sir, don't do construction. Now I'll not listen to you people. Okay. Now listen, all of you. Shh. We will this one. How many of your classes done the inequalities? You're done inequality?
Yes, that time nothing was cut, so everything.
So it is done. So it is coming in the exam. So ask your teacher. Okay. If it is coming in the if it is coming, we will do that one. Okay. Now, hold on. Okay. And how many of your school done the Euclid geometry? So then he will tell. Okay. Ari, keep quiet now. We will do Euclid geometry, okay? It is coming in the, how many of your school it's coming in the exam? It's done in the exam. Again, it will be there in the exam. Okay, so we will do the Euclid geometry also. Hello, Madam Law, don't make the faces like that. Okay, so okay, do one thing. This one, Rohu, Rahi. So we'll explain Euclid geometry in the class. Huh? Will I ask you to explain the questions? Not now Euclid geometry. Okay. Now listen. You are one. Well, let me finish one by one things. Okay. In the triangle, we have done the exercise 7.3 classwork exercise is completed. Homework exercise you are done. All of you are completed. Is there anyone who also are completed? Raise a hand. Huh. Homework exercise 7.3. Who will do it? I will do. Now you have to next class, you have to do the homework exercise 7.3 plus you were supposed to do miscellaneous exercise. Oh, smart girl. Okay, so you have to do the miscellaneous part of this one. Okay, and the doubts when it is coming, I will explain. It's a compulsory, all of you have to do the miscellaneous other than the inequality. I think there are 2 questions of inequality, the 11th and 12th. Who's talking again? Okay, other than 11th and 12th, everything you have to do it. Understood? Okay, what is your doubt?
Sir, 7th.
7th one. 1 to 6 you are done. You got all the answers?
No, 6th one also.
Then 5th also doubt?
No.
4th is doubt?
No.
Okay. Look here. It's all questions are important. That's why I'm telling you people, you have to do it miscellaneous. Don't go to real numbers and this one, sorry, number system and start solving. Do coordinate geometry, extra questions doing it. What she's doing. Okay, so understood. So say I will to explain one question. Which question? 7th question. Have you seen 7th question? This girl, Arya. What is your name? Arya, no? Okay, Arya, have you seen the 7th question? Have you seen? Can you see? Read that question.
In the figure X, is any point within a square A? On AX, a square AX variable is described so that AX is equal to B.
So there is a on AX a square AX Y Z is described. Also, how many squares are here? 2 squares. Have you all of you seen the 2 squares? Which are 2 squares? A, B, C, D. And the second one, AX, Y, Z. Hello, my dear friend. Stand up. Yes. Who asked you to sit in the last bench? Now he will all slowly start. Tell me what is a square? Huh? What is it? What is it? Do you know what is a square? Tell. Huh? Remove that mask and speak. What something is there in your mouth? Then speak. Today what happened, especially maskers wear? Stand up. You do this one scale and steel scale and bring. Okay. Tell what is the all sides are equal. How about all angles? All angles. He doesn't do it. Stand up there. Beat him. Beat him, otherwise I will beat you. Do you know what the square? Yes, tell the square. How, all sides are. Then how about the angle? All the angles are 90 degrees. Tell him very good. Tell him very good. How very good now? Very good. Okay. There are remaining properties are also there. Do you know? Diagonals of the square are equal. Diagonal bisect equal and angle of equal. Study. Yes, sir. Sit down. Show your hand. That ring where it is gone? Huh? At home. Okay. Give on to mommy. Give to mommy, okay? Huh? Will you give to mommy? I'll wear it at home. I'm telling you, give it to mommy. Okay, I'll call and ask. I'll tell the office whether he or not. Huh?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Chalo. So it's a square now. So what do you have to prove? Bx. Have you seen Bx? Is equal to dz. Have you seen Bx and dz? They are the sides of two triangles. Do you know which are two triangles? Which are two triangles?
A and B.
A, X, B and A, Z, D. Okay. AX is equal to AZ.
Yes.
As recent sides of the square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Array give the other sides of the square equal now. Then next is AB is equal to AD. Okay. Or AD is equal to AB. Again sides of the second square. Now you have to take the angle between them. Which are the two angles between them? Angle ZAD and angle BAX. Have you seen?
Yes.
DAZ and BAX. Are they equal?
Yes.
So how did you know they are equal?
Sir, because
Both are
the
equal.
rays are equal.
Because rays are equal.
Yeah, that angle. AB and BX are equal. That eventually makes angle ZAD equal. Yeah.
Sides are equal, angles are equal. New rule.
Can you repeat what you said? That's it's in my own area, but that's how I solved that.
If this is equal to this is equal to this, therefore these two angles are equal. New rule. Huh? That's enough. These and these are equal. These are new rule we found out. Then Rohan's rule.
Yes, actually.
Yes, actually, Rohan's rule is actually. Please. Look here. Now tell me, what is XAZ?
X is at 9.
XAZ 90 degree. Yes or no? Okay. What is where is it? What is angle DA? What is angle BAD?
90.
Therefore, both are equal now. Okay. Then what is angle XAZ minus? Who is that bad? Minus XAD is equal to angle BAD minus angle XAD. What angle you are seeing? I removed XAD from both sides. Subtracted XAD. Now check in the figure. What is this one? XAZ minus XAD is equal to DAZ or not?
Yes, DAZ.
Is equal to BAD minus XAD is equal to XAD now.
Yes.
That is why they are equal, not sides are equal, this side equal, this side equal, the anything equal. So I'll make a line this way. Therefore, these two angles are equal. No, according to your rule, no, wrong rule. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Can you write this way? You cannot tell now. Understood or not? Not that way. If this part is equal to this part, then remove the common region. Here the common region from 90 degrees removed. So you got it now?
Yes, sir.
You followed or not? Okay, so you got by SAS test these two triangles. First you write this one, then you will write what XA is, sorry, ZA is equal to XA and next is DA is equal to BA. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS by CBSE. You'll get the answer. Okay, what is your doubt?
Sir, 9.
You done all these?
I did the 8th.
You did 7th only did? No. Let's do all of it after that I will. Okay. What happened, I? Something is there? All okay now? Since long time these ways. All fingers are there, no? Count once. Count your fingers once. All are there. Not there? Missing something? Okay now. So, okay now. Listen. All done? Chapter this one. Inequalities, I'll wait for you. Hello, hero. You find out from your school. Is it the inequality part there? Is there in the syllabus? If it is anyone feel that this is the syllabus, we will discuss. Okay. There are 2 rules of inequalities are there. We are going to study. Oh, all hands are nobody will take. Too much bothered about the hands and fingers. Put the hand down. You're pulling it down or what? Yeah. The inequality property, 3 properties. Remember, these are the only 3 properties. Okay. If 2 in a triangle, if 2 sides are unequal, what did I tell? In a triangle, if 2 sides are unequal, then the greater side has the greater angle opposite to it. Greater side. You know what I mean by greater side?
Yes.
Longer side has the greater angle opposite to it. Means if you consider these 2 AB and AC, which is greater one? AC is greater than AB. Yes or no? Okay. AC is greater than AB. What is the opposite? Hello, madam, listen over here. This much time was there. That time she was not counting. Now she started counting the page. Do you know what is the side opposite to AB? There is no side opposite to this one. Angle opposite to. Angles are denoted by how many letters? 1 letter. 1 letter or 3 letters. Sides are denoted by 2 letters. Okay, this may change. What is the side opposite to AB? So what is the angle opposite to AB? What is the angle opposite to BC? A. Angle opposite to AC. Okay, follow. What is the side opposite to angle A? Side opposite to angle B. Side opposite to angle B. So what is the condition? Longer side has greater angle opposite to it. So what is the angle opposite to AC? Angle B. What is the angle side opposite to C? Angle B will be greater than C. Okay, understood or not? Okay, this is the first inequality. Now, second inequality is properties say it's opposite. If 2 angles are unequal, means greater angle has longer side opposite to it. Greater angle. Okay, understood or not? Okay, that is the one. These properties are clear. Okay, means if it is 2 sides are unequal, the opposite greater angle has the greater side has the longer greater angle opposite to it. The opposite also. Third inequality is coming as sum of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Are you followed? What is it? Sum of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay. Fourth property it is coming as of all line segments drawn from a point to a line. Of all line segments drawn from a point to a line, one which is perpendicular is the shortest. Are you followed the meaning? Language doesn't know. Of all line segments, this is a line, this is a point. I can draw this one. 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 Okay, happy to see this much is enough. Yeah. Then I will know A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So how many line segments? Lot of line segments are drawn from P to this line L. Okay, line L. One which is the perpendicular. Which is perpendicular? P. That is the shortest. Understood? This is the shortest. Means P is shorter than all these line segments. No. Got it now? Thank you. Okay now? Sure.
Yeah.
Sure or not? And then you check this triangle, BED, this is 90 degrees now, this will be less than 90 degrees. What is the property? Greater angle as the longer side opposite. Have you followed or not? Which is the greater angle? This. So its opposite side is this one. Its opposite side is shorter. Understood or not? Okay, so these are the four properties of inequality. So these are only the inequality properties. So I'm not doing explaining much about this one. If it is there, if anyone tells, sir, it is there in the school syllabus, we will explain. If not there, not there. Okay, understood all of you? One construction girl says backed out. Cheating there. What? Now, listen. Now, the next chapter will be, I'll be doing us just now, we'll be doing us Euclid geometry. Okay, this not have any 1 or 2 lectures, it will be over. Okay, that's all. 1 or 2 lectures. Okay, 3 or 4 lectures, it will be over. Rahi, be happy. Okay. Have you heard about Rahi? Have you heard about Euclid? Who's Euclid? Who is it? Guy. Oh, nice guy, na? Okay. So Euclid, do you know what is the spelling of Euclid? Or what is it? Oh, very good. Euclid, all of you know the spelling. EUCLID, Euclid geometry. Okay. He is another great mathematician. He is considered as a father of geometry. Okay. So geometry, wait. Now she is asking who is the mother of geometry. Priyanshi, what you are asking? Nothing. Find out who is the mother of geometry. Okay. Why are you laughing? Geometry can have father only. Can't be mother, no? There should be some. The Brishti is thinking, I'm not the mother, she's thinking. Okay. Look here. In this chapter, Euclid geometry, you will study certain axioms, certain postulates, okay, theorems. Now, okay, axioms, postulates, and theorems. What about axiom?
Yes.
Okay. What is it? Yes, who heard about axiom? Okay, what is axiom? Actually, she knows all these things. Then she make you so done in the school. Yeah. Okay. Actually, axiom is universal truth. Where there is no proof there. Yes. What is it going on? Okay. All right. Okay. Axiom is universal set. Okay. Then what is postulate? Truth of geometry. Huh?
The same as axiom but related to geometry.
Okay. It's also universal truth, but it is related to geometry. Okay. Understood now? Axioms, postulates, and theorem. Then what is theorem? Hello. Listen now here. You are making to stand on the desk now. Okay. You are doing all the things. Hello. What is called theorem? What is theorem?
Statements which we can do.
Here's the statement. It's always another universal truth can be proved. Okay. Axiom, there is no proof. Okay. Postulate, there is no proof. Whereas theorem has a proof. Okay. All of them are true statements. All right. Okay. So we are going to study about. Now, Euclid, when you define certain things, there is no specific definitions. Okay. There is no certain points you cannot define. Okay. What is a line? Can you tell what it is? Yes. No, we cannot listen. What is a line you write? No. Never ending delta line. 180 degree. Huh? Collection of dots. Collection of dots. Is a collection of dots? Is a line? So this all there is no specific. Okay. Now this is a point now. Okay, can you define a point? What is a point?
A point.
Point is a point. That's a point. Dot is a point. So about this one?
It's still
That also is still a dot. What about this one? What about this one? So okay, small dot, big dot. Okay, so this hello. So these are certain things we cannot mathematically, there is no, you know the meaning of that one, but you cannot, okay? So, but these are the certain things we have to discuss about and again. So we will basically, there is not much to discuss about. We will discuss certain things and whatever you have to learn, I will tell you what to learn. Okay, open the book. What happened? What is he doing? He started sleeping out. Today is the 5th time I am calling you Sarthak. Now, henceforth, you remember that you will be one of the first bench. If not that, this Rohit will get slapped from you. It is your duty, he should be in the first bench, okay? Agreed or not? Not agreed?
Okay,
Huh? Agreed, no? Safe custody, okay? Make sure that he is sitting on the front bench. Tell him, otherwise you shout at him. Don't mind, I'll take it. Okay. Hello? Listen to him, whatever he says, you will listen to him. Okay, that later he will tell. Okay then. Take on the book. Introduction is taken. Okay. Yes. Adya.
The Greek mathematicians Euclid stand part of geometry as an abstract model of the world in which they live. The notions of point, line, plane, and so on were
Plane
derived,
or surface. Okay.
and so on were derived from what was seen around them. From studies of the space and solids in the space around them, an abstract geometrical notion of a solid object was developed. A solid has shape, size, position, and can be moved from one place to another. Its boundaries are called surfaces.
So followed what is the something idea about? These are abstract ideas. It's not the exact definition and all. Some idea only giving. What is a solid? Solid has a shape, size, position. It can occupy certain position. Then after that, it can be moved from one place to another place. Its boundaries are called the surface. So what is this one? Solid. Okay. So it has some shape is there, size is there. It occupies some space. I can move from here. Its boundaries are called the surfaces. What is the shape of the solid? Cuboid. So very good. Cuboid. Okay. So its surfaces are of the form of surface of cube. Rectangles. The rectangle now. These are the rectangle. Okay. So all are looking at this 100 rupees. Okay, then continue. Sarvesh.
We separate one part of the space from another and are said to have no thickness. The boundaries of surfaces are curves or straight lines. These lines end in points. Consider the three steps from solid to points: solid, surface, line, points.
Solid is the bigger one, then its surface is coming, then its edges are coming as the lines, isn't it? So rectangle edges are coming. Okay, this is coming as a surface. Its edges are coming as what? Line. Okay, then after that.
In each step, we use one extension, also called a dimension.
So you are saying dimensions. Okay, solid will be having 3 dimensions. Surface having 2 dimensions, plane. Okay, then line has only 1 direction. Point has no dimensions. Dot has no dimension, no extension, nothing. Okay, then.
Euclid summarized this statement as definition. He began his exposition by listing 23 definitions in book 1 of elements.
Okay, there are book of volume of books are there, elements, Euclid's okay. Book 1. Okay.
A few of them are given below. A point is that which has no part.
Hold on, what is the wait? Point which has no part. Means what? If when you say the point, it cannot be divided. Means this is a point, means it cannot be made into small regions. Understood or not? This is a point, it cannot be. Okay, if I take this is the line segment, it is a join of how many points? Infinite. You study in your science now. What is it? Atoms can be divided. No. So like that, point is, it cannot be partitioned. Huh? Huh? Divide an atom. Okay, okay, sorry, I am not, my science is weak. Okay, so divide your atom. Okay, whereas the point cannot be divided. Understood or not? Imagine when mummy brought a cake, you were going to eat, and you are telling that it cannot be divided. Okay, forget that. Okay, chalo. The point cannot be divided into pieces. All right, chalo. Next one.
A line is a baseless length.
Breadthless length. There is no breadth. Okay, line can be tell us a line is a breadthless length. No. This one. What is this? Rectangle. It has length and breadth now. So if I remove this part, this is become as a rectangle with zero breadth. Therefore, it's a line. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. So breadth is not there, only length. The line is a breadthless length. Okay. Next one.
The end of a line are points.
End of the line are points. Its meaning is line segment, not line. Okay. End of the line are points. Okay. Next.
A straight line is a line which lies evenly with a point on itself.
So evenly spread on this and every point. Okay. Next.
Surface is that which has length and breadth only.
Surface means has two dimensions. Length, breadth are there. Okay. Next.
The edges of a surface are lines.
Edges, if you are taking the surface, or it is coming, any surface you are taking, rectangular edges are coming as the lines. Okay.
A plane surface is a surface which lies evenly with a straight line on itself.
Okay. Surface is straight line, you can make it. Okay. Finally, continue. Next.
In geometry, we take a point, a line, and a plane. In Euclid's words, a plane surface as undefined terms. The only thing is that we can represent them intuitively or explain them with the help of physical models.
So you can explain. So you cannot give a specific definition for this one. Okay. Explain with the models and all, you can do it. Okay. So certain, these are the certain this one. He began to list out certain definitions he has given. Okay. Now we are going to do with the axioms and postulates. Okay. So these all just only reading and understanding only, nothing much. And whatever to read, whatever to learn and all, I tell you. Okay, read. Axioms and postulates.
Starting with the definitions, Euclid assumes certain properties which were not to be proved. These assumptions are actually obvious universal truth. He divided them into two types, axioms and postulates. He used the postulate for the assumption that was specific geometry.
So what is an axiom? It's an obvious universal truth. Okay, it's a universal truth. It's all obvious and it does not have any proof. Then what is the postulate? It is again universal truth only, but it is specifically in geometry. Understood now? All of you? Okay. Continue.
Common notions, often called axioms, are the reliable assumptions used throughout mathematics and are not specifically in geometry. More details about axioms.
Some of Euclid's axioms, not in this order, are given below. These are the some of the Euclid's axioms. This is not Euclid's axiom. Okay. Okay, given below. So there are 7 axioms are given below. Okay, who is going to read? Yes. Arya, read.
First, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another.
Are you followed?
Yes.
Things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Did we use anywhere?
Yes.
If LHS are equal, then RHS are equal. Yes or no? Or if A equal to B, B equal to C, then A is equal to C. Yes or no? Okay. Otherwise, when you go to the shop and all, have you seen? Sometimes they will take the measurement weight and all, if they don't have, they keep 1 kg something. Okay, rice they put in 1 kg. That 1 kg is equal to, okay, they have to buy. Okay, so keep 1 kg over here, measure. some of the shops and all, they do the things which are equal to one are equal to one another. Second one, Rahi, followed.
Yes, sir.
If equals are adjust now, or we can do now, if it is A is equal to B and equals are added, so A plus C will be equal to B plus C. Or another way, C is equal to D. Then add A plus C will be equal to B plus D. Equals are added to equal, then the wholes are equal. This is another axiom. Are you followed, Mr. Sarthar? No. Yes. Diya, third axiom.
If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainder are equal.
Same followed or not? Instead of addition, remainder also subtracting remainders are equal. Followed or not? Sanika, read the next one then.
Things which coincide with one another and equal to one another.
Isn't it? Coinciding means superimposing. Congruent, okay, are equal to one another. Okay, Rohan, fifth next.
The whole is greater than the part.
Are you followed? Whole is greater than the part. Full cake is greater than half cake. Okay, something. Mummy brings a cake. You eat from some part of the cake. Then that will be smaller than the full cake. Whole is greater than the part. Sixth one. Kavish.
Things which are double of the same things are equal to one another.
Yes, if x equal to y, 2x will be equal to 2y. Isn't it double? Okay. Prishti. Rai is not listening, so I'm not calling him. Even the x is equal to y, then half x will be equal to half y. Yes, these are the which one? Axioms. Please learn the axioms. Huh? Please learn the axioms now. And the question can come, write any three axioms. Then learn. It's easy now.
Yes.
It's not coming. If it is, there are people are coming, okay. Hello. So this 100 rupees after homework. Okay. This one. This book after homework. Yes or no? I have also sorry. I think sorry on street dog. You know who street dog? You know who? Good evening. How are you? कैसा चल रहा है सब? हाँ? दिया? किधर जा रहे हो? खाली मैथ्स के लिए क्या? बैठो बैठो sit down. Good to see you all. आज जल्दी आ गए तुम? Good. और coming for the first